the 2013 Toyota Camry. With an automatic transmission, this sedan, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features power windows and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.